That's a log I climbed over. And heading up here. Seen something here that's kind of curious. Looks like quartz. I don't know if it's a couple pieces or what. Yeah, I guess it is. Where's the other one? Yeah, I don't see it. I see red, but I don't think it's anything. I'm washing my glove right there. See it? Almost going over, but it kind of feels wet all the way down. I can't get that out. I don't think I need my tool here. Okay, this one, I'm being kind of ginger because of my buckets. Just balancing. I think this one's going to come out a little easier. Okay. See if you can't get this moved. I'm thinking it's going to be like a brick color, maybe. But I'm kind of hoping it's a quartzite, like a quartzite Jasper. Okay, I got it. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's Jasper. I mean, it's okay, but nothing I want to haul. Anybody want this? There it is. I think I see maybe I might see something green here while I was reaching over there. Is that a quartzite? Yeah, kind of dirty. That might be worth taking. Okay, that green was right somewhere. I was headed over here. I kind of lost track of it. Hard to see, as you can tell, I think. I don't know. What's this one? That ain't it. That kind of looks like a little nicer quartzite. Left-handed. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna dig this one out. This tool is definitely not as good as my other one. Come on, come on. Yeah. I don't. It's a two-handed job. Yeah, not too much. It is a quartzite. I'll take it because I dug it out, and it's okay. Seen some interesting rock over here. I don't know. I don't think I need the tool. Quartzite, maybe. But I can't tell if it's dirty or what, but from here, oh, is it big? I mean, it looks blue, really blue. I'm gonna do a little underwater shot. I mean, wasn't that a cool looking rock? Blue. I pulled it out, and the back, really plain. Let's go take a look. I mean, it's just a plain rock. And then I'm like, what? Look at this blue side. It's so cool. Well, it's slime, some kind of slime. Yeah, that was a little disappointing. Oh well. Well, I'm making my way over towards the middle here, and I found something that maybe nothing, but yeah, it's nothing. Look kind of cool. I've seen this stripe, little stripe thing here. Ah, come on. Oh, there it is. Whoops, just dropped my bucket. Come back, come back. Like I said, I got holes in the bottom of my bucket on purpose, so I don't necessarily have to put it on a rock. It just equalizes itself. And my drone's in here, but they're both in you know, zip seal bags. Where's that rock I dropped? Right here. Yeah, something. Okay. Let's take a break while I try to find something interesting. Interesting alert! Interesting alert! Here we go. It's kind of somewhat agatized. Probably a petrified wood, but sure is an ugly color. Yeah, I'm not into that. I'm gonna set it here. Whoops. I see something red here. This looks pretty good. It's kind of small, but nice. Got quartz inclusions all through it. And that spotted guy. These can look cool cut into pendants if they have a stripe in them, in my opinion. There's another piece of that same stuff. There's actually, this could be, what is this? That could be cleaned up a little. Is this like serpentine or? I don't think it's Jasper. What do you think? I'll take it. And I saw right there another one of those brownish brownish petrified wood, bunch of granite. If only I knew somebody that liked granite. Oh wait, oh, that might be bigger than I thought. Yeah. Hey, look at that Jasper and quartz here. I mean, I like it. I don't like this color. It's like a cow's tongue or something. Could have been cool. But I do want to get this. Oh! I want to get this one out right here. Hey, I see a little sun. It's about 1% sun. maybe 2%, now 1%. Anyway, I got this loose with my tool, and it's, I hope it's cool. That side's not so great. Nah, not so great. Right here is kind of cool though. I like that. It's like a cliff. I might try breaking this one and seeing if I can just kind of get that top, or you know, some kind of piece out of it. Here's a Jasper I just spotted. Well, a couple. I'll get this one first. That's nothing. I don't think this is anything either. Here, let's see. Come on. Oh, well. Let's see. Get up there. Okay. That's not so great. Neither's that. Stripe's kind of cool. I was looking at the green. Maybe this end is cool, but that's really about it. And I've got way nicer Jasper. Looking at the spotted one. That's kind of vibrant, but it's wearing away. It's really rough. Oh, here's another piece of what looks like could be some kind of petrified wood. What's this? I think I might have to get these, get my little crowbar tool. These two hands here. Yeah, I think I'm up to about 3 or 4% sun. Nice. Just found this Jasper. I'm just imagining this on a shelf. Yep. And maybe that way. I think I might take that. I saw this is pretty cool. This rock doesn't look like anything here, but I was kind of looking here, right here, and this is like agatized. It's a pretty big rock. I mean, I could maybe try to get it out of here. This one spot, I've been here. I bet I've been here a half hour anyway. Just within this little 8-foot circle. I did break that one rock I was saying. I like the top. I broke off some pieces, and this is kind of what I came up with. Well, it looks like a little mountain, and I'm planning on doing some diorama stuff pretty soon. And I was just thinking that maybe I might use that for it. So I'm going to leave it here while I go upstream further. But let's see, was there another one here? Kind of like got a little lost. Okay, and then I got this one. That one actually could be cool diorama. Maybe I will think about taking that. A piece that broke off. Here's a little something, I don't know. This piece, now that I'm looking at it, I recognize that shape, and that's petrified wood, I believe. Pretty big piece. It's like my big stone boulder, but not nearly as cool. I wish it was greener. It's green in that little spot. Pretty big. I mean, I could try to break it, but I think I'll stack it up here, and it'll be one of those that be like, okay, someday I'll get that. Oh, I know what. This one I was digging out, and I got it loose. It took me a while, at least 10 minutes, and I thought rather than take it out, this is what I usually do, is once I get it loose, I leave it be, and then turn the camera on so y'all can see it as I bring it out. Huh, it's like almost like a quartz. Oh wow, look at that texture. This might be petrified wood. Yeah, that's something I have not seen. And I will be picking that up on my way out. Just gotta find a place to park it. Definitely gonna look around in this little circle more. Oh, isn't it funny when people do YouTube, I notice, and they're doing something like maybe I'm doing, and they say, okay, I'll be right back in a minute. Camera goes off, okay, I'm back, and it's like 0 seconds. It's just kind of funny.